Okay, so at this point my drawing's done. I have a piece of scrap paper underneath me, and I'm gonna use a thin Sharpie because some of my details are pretty small, and I'm gonna go over the whole drawing. So here we go. Let me just test my Sharpie, make sure it works. Yeah. And what we want to do is we want to be able to see this drawing on the back. So let's just make sure that I can. Yeah, that's good. Oh, and if you have stuff on the back, you're probably going to want to erase it because we are going to need the back of the paper.